It's about self-expression. It's about freedom to do and be exactly who you want to be without the fear of anybody judging you or thinking any less of you. We created such a safe space with this group in the past year.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. A safe place to be, whoever, whatever you want to be.
Engage2Stage means a lot to me. We started it 2 years ago with a collaboration of Extant, which is the leading theatre company for visually impaired people in the UK. They approached the Barry Society for the Blind, and then along with the Barry Met Theatre, we started this group. 2 years on, we're developing, we're growing. I can see confidence growing in our members, and I just want it to carry on. It's amazing.
Next question to me is about inclusion. It's about working together, it's about having fun, it's about being creative in a safe space, it's about supporting one another in our strengths and ignoring weaknesses. Met Express is about having a good time, doing lots of new things, meeting new people. Yeah, that's Met Express to me.
It's just really gratifying to see this vast group of diverse people come together.
They enjoy what they're doing, and it's nice seeing young people love theatre as much as we did when we were younger. And it's nice seeing that that's still alive, and that they want to go into. Some of them want to go into it further, which is really nice to see. And they'll go far, I think.
It's good. We're preparing the next generation.
Yeah, it's scary.
Just the concept of theatre being accessible for visually impaired actors and their audiences does mean a lot. It's great advice for people to go and have fun, be silly, and also create something really great and inspirational.
But we love our theatre, that work hard, we love they bring it all the fun. They understand us and respect us, and we all listen to each other.
We definitely support one another, but I'm hashtag ability, not disability. We're about what we can do. Achieving goals.
Yes.
Doing amazing shows.
Yeah.
That's Met Express 2+.
Yeah.